Do you know what is a computer program and how these programs are created? A program is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task. A software is also known as a program. It means that everything in computer is done with the help of a program. Whether we want to play music or we want to play games, we want to watch a movie or want anything to buy online. Everything is done with the help of coding. So we can say that coding is a way to interact with the computer. Have you ever noticed that in a game, a character moves from one place to another by clicking on a button? Our character also fire by pressing a button. Similarly, there are tons of websites and apps that we use. Do you know how these applications and websites are created? All these websites and applications are created by writing a program in a programming language. There are different programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, and C Sharp, etc. Each language has its strengths and benefits. For example, Java is used to create web applications, while Python is being used in web development and C Sharp is being used in game development. One such platform to write programs is Scratch. Scratch is the world's largest coding community for children and a coding language with a simple visual interface that allows people to create digital stories, games, and animations. Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Slim and welcome to my channel. In this series, we will learn to create basic programs, games, and animations in Scratch.